beer challenge.
My God!
So she's selling a pack of gum for 20,000 dong. Give me 10. Oh no. Hi. I didn't even order this balloon. I don't know what the f is going on. They're just ordering by themselves. I'm probably gonna end up paying for this, but I'm getting scammed tonight. I'm getting scammed. Yeah. Alright, so it's like 1 a.m. and I think my Chinese friend is gonna do karaoke. Mic check 1 2 with your boy John. What's going on? And today I'm in Ho Chi Minh at the famous party street called Bui Vien. And for today's video, I'm just gonna be sitting at this table and gonna drink 5 beers. And we're gonna see what happens. Who knows? And this is beer number 1, Saigon Red. So they have like 4 different types of beers, like red, green, special, and there's another one called like chill and probably some other type, but we're first starting out with beer red. And they're about like $1 each. So cheers. It's not bad. Check out the street real quick. So it's a Sunday today, so it's not that busy. Yesterday, the whole streets were packed. And yeah, so I came out to vlog today because it's a lot less noisier actually. Yesterday I couldn't sleep until like 5 a.m. because my room is actually right there. So 5 a.m. I was still up. What are you selling? How much? 20? 10. Give me 10. Moi yin. 20. So she's selling a pack of gum for 20,000 dong. Give me 10. Oh no. Hi. Come on. So I got my pack of gum, free peanuts, and my first beer. I have one already, Saigon. How much is one?
Only 18.
18?
Yeah.
It's real? Real leather?
Yeah, 80,000.
80?
Yeah. $3. You want leather? $3 only.
You know how much I paid for this?
I don't know, but this leather.
How much is for the cheap one?
30,000. I give you good price.
Give me 10.
50. 50.
10.
And you chocolate, you come here cheap.
I buy for 20, that's it. I don't want it, but I buy for 20. No?
You think 20, the big one is out.
This is 20, I bought it for 20. I bought it for 20.
This one, the head might be 20.
This is the same. It's hard to negotiate out here. Like I bought this one, this Saigon bracelet for 20,000 dong. That's like $1, and she was like charging double for the same bracelet. So on to the next one, I guess. So this is beer number 2, and I guess this is like the regular one or Saigon Green. I'm not really sure, but yeah. And it pretty much tastes the same. So this is the red, this is maybe regular or green. the difference is, but yeah, we're drinking them. So this is the 5 beer challenge. My God! I'm gonna be real with you guys. I'm kind of struggling on the second beer. Kind of feeling full. I'm not sure if I can finish the 5 beers. But let's try. On to the next one. You want me to drink all the beers? Maybe later the balloon. Maybe later. And this is the Saigon special. It's a little bit more expensive. It's 30,000 dong, which is like under 150, I think. And there's nothing special about it. It tastes the same. Okay, so I'm on beer number 4 right now. I'm still on beer number 4. She wants to order me more. Give me another one. I didn't even finish my other beer. Chill. Saigon chill. We getting Saigon chill for the last one. This is the Saigon chill. I don't know what that means, but we're trying it out. We'll see what happens. Here we go. Cheers. And it tastes the same. So we had 5 beers. This is 5 beers already. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we already, I guess we finished the challenge, the 5 beer challenge. But I still gotta finish 1.5. So this one I gotta finish, and then we got this one. And we got some squid. I didn't order the squid, but we eating it. Not sure how much it costs, but it's probably $1 or something. There we go. Dried squid. We got some chili sauce. Dang. And it's okay. It's like a beer food, you know? So my Chinese friend over here, he invited me to eat some food. So it's kind of disrespectful if you don't like eat the food if they offer it. So you might as well try it out, I guess. My Chinese friend, where are you from?
Chinese.
Where are you from?
Beijing.
Beijing? Oh, you're a Beijing guy? And he offered me some food. So we got some Morning Glory, French fries with some, I guess like some meat. Let's try it out. Can I try? Here we go. It's a little bit overcooked, but hey, it's free food.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
I didn't even order this balloon. I don't know what the f is going on. They're just ordering by themselves. I'm probably gonna end up paying for this, but whatever, man. We're gonna find out. We're gonna find out if I'm paying for this. It's already 3 balloons and like 5 beers. Let's see how much this costs. I'm getting scammed tonight. I'm getting scammed. Yeah. All right, so it's like 1 a.m. and I think my Chinese friend is gonna do karaoke. Yeah, we're doing karaoke. So this is the setup right now. We have one big speaker, 2 microphones. My Chinese friend gonna sing. You singing? You singing?
I don't know what I can do. Music that you lose control.
Mic check 1 2, mic check 1 2. It's about like 2 a.m. right now. So I drank about like 6 beers. But my friends over here drank a lot. There's like about like 20 to 30 cans over here. Oh, we good, we good, we good. My friend. My Chinese friend. What's your name? What's your name? Name.
这个是我喝的，你们的牌上说你喝的。
对。不知道。Comes out. It doesn't matter. We don't have to understand the same language to like have a good time. All right, so we're about to get the bill and let's see how much this costs. I'm predicting maybe like 200-300. If it's 200-300, it's all right. I'm gonna pay. But if it's like anything more, then your boy got scammed. All right, the bill is like over 600. So it's a little bit more expensive than I thought. It's like maybe I don't know, $25?